Sahih Al-Bukhari 3246, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi said, the first batch of people who will enter paradise will be glittering like full moon, and those who will enter next will be glittering like the brightest star. Their hearts will be as if the heart of a single man, for they will have no enmity amongst themselves, and every one of them shall have two views, each of whom will be so beautiful, pure and transparent, that the marrow of their bones of their legs will be seen through the flesh. They will be glorifying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the morning and evening, and will never fall ill, and they will neither blow their noses nor spit. Their utensils will be of gold and silver, and their combs will be of gold, and the fuel used in their centers will be the aloes wood, and their sweet will smell like musk. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3247, narrated Sahal bin Sa'd radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, verily 70,000 or 700,000 of my followers will enter paradise altogether, so that the first and the last amongst them will enter at the same time, and their faces will be glittering like the bright full moon. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3248, narrated Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anha. A silken cloak was presented to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he used to forbid and the use of silk by men. When the people were fascinated by the cloak, he said, by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in whose hands the life of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is, the handkerchief of Sa'd bin Muaz radiyallahu ta'ala anha in paradise are better than this. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3249, narrated Al-Bara bin Azib radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam was given a silken garment, and its beauty and delicacy astonished the people. On that, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, no doubt the handkerchief of Sa'd bin Muaz radiyallahu ta'ala anha in paradise are better than this. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3250, narrated Sahal bin Sa'd al-Sa'idi radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, a place in paradise equal to the size of a lash is better than the whole world and whatever is in it. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.